What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. I have a surprise to show y'all. We've been doing some DIYs in this beauty room. Yes, I'm so excited to show you. Hey, beautiful babes, before I do the actual video of us doing this DIY, would you please go ahead and smash that like button? Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, cause it's getting ready to be lit every single day. Y'all, I don't know about Vlogmas, but honey, we've been doing it now. Y'all might as well give it up to us. Yay! Give it up to us because we've been doing it, okay? So y'all, thank you so much for all of your support right here at Life with Sweet Angel and Mike. And now, y'all, talking about Life with Sweet Angel and Mike, we about to get to work. Come along with us.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
And that, the way we do it. Now I'm going to turn it over to the master.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Anything. That's what I do.
All right, beautiful babes, guess what? We're all finished with the desktops. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. All nicely laminated, basically, from the just flooring. It's just flooring. And guess what, y'all? What's so cool about this is it was only one box of 20 that we used for 3 freaking desk. Okay, this is Maddie's right here, looking all glowy, glossy, not that dull, oh, messed up where the paint had just all messed up from makeup and stuff. Now it's nice and slick and get it wiped off, and definitely more, you know, just everything. It's just everything. I love that you can wipe it off, and it is definitely more sanitary than that old wood. And even from the nail station, nice, glossy, glowing. This is an amazing idea. I have both of my computers in here, which I normally don't work like this, but I want to kind of get off the couch a little bit and stop being a couch potato, but then I brought my butt in here and was just sitting down anyway. So, anywho, that is it. I am so excited to show y'all this, and thanks to Mike for helping me out. He is such a sweetheart when it comes to his lady, and I love him so much for that. Y'all, thank you so much for stopping by again. All right, beautiful babes, that is it. We finished it. It's so nice to have some wonderful looking desktops finally, honey. These things have been through the ringer. I know my desk, I've had it for a number of years. It's been brown, then black, then all messed up, and again, the desktops look so great. The one that we do the nails on, man, this desk has been with us, good Lord, I don't know, I want to say almost, gotta be 17 years, just about, or maybe 15 to 17 years, somewhere in there. And the other little bitty one is just Walmart special, and now it's got an upgrade. So anyway, beautiful babes, that's it. Appreciate y'all so much. Again, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. More to come every single day. We're gonna try to do this every day, something for you, and we appreciate you so much. We'll see you on the next video. Yes, we will. Please share us with your world. We'll see ya. Bye.